Ever wonder why Dewalt stands out in the ever-changing world of tools? Their gear is known for being tough, reliable, and built to last. Here are 10 new Dewalt tools that have just arrived and are ready to handle any task with ease. Imagine speeding up your pipework with a tool built just for deburring. This 20-volt max pipe deburring tool does exactly that. It handles both inner and outer edges on pipe and circular tubing, giving you smooth results every time. With a variable speed switch and paddle trigger, you get precise control, while rust-resistant blades tackle copper, both hard and soft, PVC, CPVC, and black iron. It fits pipes and tubing from 3/8 of an inch to 2 inches and is designed to last through heavy use. On top of that, it is Tool Connect chip ready, making inventory management a breeze. Boost efficiency with the 20-volt max plastic tubing cutter built to give full control on tough jobs. It slices through 2-inch Schedule 80 PVC in about 3 seconds, which is up to 3 times faster than doing it by hand, and delivers clean, burr-free cuts every time. The tool handles up to 400 cuts per charge and offers both automatic and manual modes for precise control. A D-handle grip keeps it balanced, while corrosion-resistant stainless steel blade powers through mechanical, electrical, and plumbing tasks. An integrated LED light makes it easy to see in dim spaces, keeping work smooth and productive. Tackle heavy-duty jobs with the 20-volt max XR 3-speed high-torque impact driver built for serious power. It delivers up to 2,500 inch-pounds of torque, giving around 66% more torque than earlier models, and drives screws up to 63% faster with a no-load speed reaching 0 to 3,800 revolutions per minute. A variable speed trigger and 3-speed mode let you match the tool to the job, with the first 2 speeds perfect for common self-drilling and tapping screws. 9 built-in LED lights keep your workspace bright and visible, making precision work easier than ever. Move heavy materials with ease using the 20-volt max GRABO lifter, which uses a strong electric vacuum pump to lift up to 265 pounds. It works on a wide variety of surfaces, from smooth glass and tile to rough wood, metal, drywall, concrete, and natural stone. A built-in pressure sensor keeps the suction steady for safe handling, while a digital pressure gauge, audio alarm, and double action button give full control and confidence on the job. Designed for long work days, it offers reliable runtime so you can keep lifting and carrying without slowing down. Handle tight and overhead pipe jobs effortlessly with this compact press tool kit, designed for one-handed use thanks to its lightweight inline design. The rotating head gives full control to hit the perfect angle, and it comes with 4 galvanized jaws from 1/2 inch to 1 1/4 inches, working with copper and stainless steel fittings from brands like Viega Pro Press, Nibco Press, Mueller Streamline PRS, and Apollo Press. A built-in light keeps the workspace visible, while the Crimp Connect system tracks cycle data, service history, and calibration. A RAM release button resets quickly if needed, and a Tool Connect chip syncs via Bluetooth for easy inventory tracking. Powered by the 20-volt max battery system, it shares compatibility with hundreds of other tools. Tackle tough cleaning jobs with this powerful pressure washer, offering up to 40% more pressure for faster results. Everything stays organized with space for the wand, hose, and 4 nozzles, including a turbo option that doubles the cleaning width. Its compact, durable design lets you store it upright, flat, or even stack it when space is tight. A 25-foot kink-resistant hose and 35-foot power cord give plenty of reach, while a retractable handle and wheels make moving it easy. A foam cannon adds deep, clinging cleaning for decks, siding, cars, and more, making every job faster and more efficient. Take on tough drilling jobs with this brushless half-inch hammer drill, delivering up to 275 holes per charge. Its anti-rotation system shuts the tool down if twisting becomes excessive, keeping you safe, while the 3-speed all-metal transmission adds durability and power. A ratcheting chuck with carbide inserts holds bits securely, and a pivoting 3-position light with a 20-minute timer brightens dark work areas. Expect up to 35% more power and almost 50% faster drilling than top competitors. Tool Connect chip ready, it lets you track and manage your tools digitally. Compact, powerful, and built for professionals, it is part of the high-performance 20-volt Max lineup designed for demanding jobs. Lift and level heavy materials with ease using this construction jack capable of handling up to 340 pounds. Operated by stepping on the handle or squeezing the grip to raise your workpiece, while the slim, tapered base slides easily into tight spots. An overmolded handle with reinforced metal ribs adds comfort and strength, and countersunk holes let you mount it securely for extra stability. The no-load quick-release button makes repositioning fast when it is not underweight. Built for tough job site conditions, this jack combines smart ergonomics with serious lifting power for precise adjustments with minimal effort. Move water quickly and efficiently with this cordless transfer pump, ideal for plumbing and mechanical tasks. It handles blends of up to 60% water and 40% propylene glycol, perfect for a variety of job site needs. The self-priming pump and lighted power switch make operation smooth and visible, while the lightweight design keeps it easy to carry and position. It delivers up to 4.5 gallons per minute with a 45-foot head height using tap water. Compatible with both 20-volt Max and FlexVolt batteries for extended runtime, it's Tool Connect tag ready, letting you track and manage it through the Site Manager app for streamlined organization on the job. Make yard work easier with this redesigned cordless mower built for strong electric cutting performance. Powered by two 20-volt Max batteries, it features a high-efficiency cutting system with a steel deck, dual blades, and an AutoSense motor that adjusts to grass conditions, giving up to 100 minutes of runtime. Single-point height adjustment offers 6 cutting levels, and the bag holds up to 95% before needing emptying. You can mulch, bag, or use rear discharge, and one-touch folding reduces storage space by about 82%. Strong yet quiet, it runs around 85% quieter than similar gas models, while delivering reliable power and durability for year-round yard care. Here's the Dewalt FlexVolt Pipe Threader, a powerful and efficient tool designed to thread black iron pipe, rigid conduit, and other similar materials. It is equipped with a high-performance brushless motor that provides FlexVolt cordless power, granting extended runtime for demanding tasks without the inconvenience of power cords. A safety feature called Anti-Rotation E-Clutch system enhances user control by stopping the tool if binding occurs, ensuring safer operation. The tool includes an oil-resistant battery case made from glass-filled nylon, securely housed in a latched and sealed battery box to protect it from cutting oils. A patent-pending pipe clamp with a built-in depth gauge allows for fast and accurate setup. Additionally, the die arm enables starting threads safely without coming into direct contact with the spinning die head. This FlexVolt pipe threader is perfectly suited for threading pipe up to 2 inches Schedule 40, including black iron pipe, electrical conduit, galvanized pipe, and intermediate metal conduit used in concrete masonry projects. The Dewalt DC BL770X1 handheld blower delivers powerful performance. It produces an air volume of up to 423 cubic feet per minute at a speed of 129 miles per hour, allowing it to clear even the most persistent debris. Equipped with a flat concentrator nozzle, the blower can increase airspeed to 175 miles per hour for added power. A high-efficiency brushless motor maximizes runtime and extends motor life, helping you complete tasks quickly and effectively. The variable speed trigger combined with a speed lock feature offers precise control over the blower's power. Its lightweight and ergonomic design enhances maneuverability while reducing fatigue during extended use. This kit includes a FlexVolt 20-volt or 60-volt max 9 ampere-hour battery, a charger, and one concentrator attachment. Built to endure daily heavy-duty applications, the DCB L770X1 is a dependable choice for both professionals and do-it-yourself enthusiasts. That's a look at the latest Dewalt tools hitting the market soon. Tell us in the comments which ones you are most excited to try. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates and reviews.